Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be planning in my catch-all planner for the week of March 21st through the 27th. This is called Beauty in Florals, but today I am going to be using the Blackout paper, black paper from the Happy Planner, and I'm going to be doing a blackout spread. I thought that would be fun and different. So I'm gonna pop this back into my planner, and I did a test page testing some pens, so I'm just gonna go ahead and glue that page down so I don't waste any black paper. So I'm gonna go ahead and glue both of the sides down really securely with permanent adhesive, like so. And we're going to be using the clear stickers from the Happy Planner, which is a 5-page sticker book, and it's absolutely meant for the blackout spread. Sorry. If you are joining me here for the first time, welcome. I really hope you like it here. And if you have been with me before and you're coming back, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. I truly appreciate you. So right now I am going to be using a white pen called I think it's called Ohuhu, and it's art gel pen. I will link it. It works so wonderfully on this spread. So I'm just drawing circles for dates, and that's going to be part of my spread. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that throughout, and this way I can date my planner. So I'll go ahead and do that. They're not perfect, but they're good enough for me. And then I have this awesome tool. I can also link that for you guys. And it allows me to draw circles. Look how cool. I just rotate. So I'm going to make different sizes of circles for this spread. Like so. And that's what the spread will be like. So just bear with me just for a little bit. Some of them are not going to be completely full circles, and I'm okay with that. So if that bugs you, I'm sorry. I just can't help it. I need enough room to write all the things that I want to write in my planner. So it's going to be what it's going to be. So I'm just drawing beautiful circles to make sure that I have enough for this spread, like I said. So I just gave up on that one that I messed up. I'm gonna try to fix it with something else, so we'll see what I come up with. I don't know yet, but I need few but big circles for sure for some to-do lists. And then I'm gonna work with these flowers, and I'm gonna go ahead and start putting them all around the spread. So bear with me. I'm gonna be using that black page that comes with it to make them more visible. So I'm cutting them to kind of fit them around different circles. I'm just taking a black pen and trying to minimize those white mistakes. As you can see, I made my own sidebar. I'm going to be doing a to-do list in there. So I'm just gonna put this white flower underneath or on top of that mistake to cover it up. I think these stickers are so much fun and they're so different. So I'm really excited to make this spread, and like I said, making it with circles for me just made sense because I sometimes really enjoy just having a circle or a different shape, and with planners that are already pre-made with a layout. You can't necessarily do that without creating your own page. So maybe once in a while I will be creating my own layout. I'm not sure yet, but I'm really enjoying this more than I thought I would. So I'm just adding different kinds of little flowers and herbs. And it's just so much fun to do that. I'm really excited to be able to do that. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I took a different pen. So this is my Uni-Ball Signa pen, and it's lovely. So I switched back to the original one. To me, it's much brighter. So I'm just writing out the days really quick, so it actually looks like dates, not some random numbers. And I didn't leave enough room, so I'm going to do that for Sunday. I'm okay with that. It's not going to bug me too much, I think. So I just wrote out to do, and I'm going to go ahead and find my checklist from the Happy Planner and make a checklist on that line. But before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and add more florals and play with those because, again, so much fun, right? I hope you guys are enjoying this blackout spread. I know it's a little bit different. I know it's unconventional. I just thought it would be fun, and I'm really enjoying it. I'm looking forward to writing all of the plans in white for a change. This is also a week of mine and Alex's anniversary, so we've been dating now officially for 4 years. It's super exciting. I love that. So here we go. I'm just adding little plants all over. If you guys know me, you know that I really enjoy flowers and plants in my planner in general. So it's just something that I really like doing. So I'm adding these to the various layouts. And I'm gonna go ahead and make that checklist really quickly now. Look how perfect that sidebar fits that checklist. Okay, and then after the checklist, my spread is done. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This was obviously a little speeded up for the enjoyment of watching, so you guys are not stuck watching the whole thing, me making it for 40 minutes. I really do hope you enjoyed it. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, please do so. I really enjoy having all of you guys in my little Plannerista family. Thanks so much for watching and have a great week. I will see you very soon for another pen with me. Bye!